Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to guide you through how to redeem Doordash Gift Card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the web address bar type in www.doordash.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official web page of Doordash. Make sure that you're logged into your account by entering your credentials. Once you're logged in, click on the hamburger menu located at the upper left-hand corner. This will bring up a pop-up menu. Click on the gift card option from the expanded menu and you'll end up in this page. In this page, you can buy a gift card or redeem an existing gift card by entering your PIN code. If you've already got a gift card, type in the gift card PIN into the text box beneath. Once you do that, click on Redeem Gift Card button right beneath and you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Doordash. That is how it will be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.